The hiccup reflex is a fascinating quirk of our bodies. It starts when the diaphragm, that muscle under your lungs, suddenly contracts, causing you to inhale sharply. This rush of air then hits your vocal cords, creating that distinctive hic sound. Hiccups can be triggered by various things: eating too quickly, drinking carbonated beverages, or even sudden excitement. Most hiccups are harmless and usually go away on their own, but they can be annoying. Interestingly, some remedies, like holding your breath or sipping water upside down, have been passed down through generations. So next time you get the hiccups, remember, it's just your body's quirky way of reminding you to slow down.